In this video, you'll learn how to send mass emails using Mailchimp, a powerful tool for email marketing. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create and send a mass email campaign to your subscribers efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp login screen. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, locate and click on the Home option. This is usually found on the left sidebar of the screen. Once you click Home, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can manage your campaigns and subscribers. Next, find and click on the Create Email button, which is prominently displayed on the dashboard. This action will direct you to the email creation interface where you can begin setting up your email campaign. Once the email creation screen appears, click on the Close option to exit any pop-up that may have appeared. This will ensure you are in the main email setup area without distractions. After closing any pop-up, locate the To section. Click on this to specify the recipients of your mass email. This is a crucial step as you will choose which subscribers will receive your message. Following that, click on the Send To option. Here, you can select your audience or a specific segment of your subscribers. Selecting the right audience is essential for effective communication. Now, click on All Email Subscribers to ensure that all your subscribers are included in the email list. This selection guarantees that everyone on your list receives your mass email. After making your selections, click on Save to confirm your recipient choices. This action will secure your audience settings before you proceed to the next steps. Next, locate and click on the From section. This is where you will set the sender information for your email campaign. It is important that your recipients recognize who the email is from. Click on the email address field. Here, you will enter the email address that will appear as the sender. Ensure this is an address that your recipients will recognize. After entering the email address, click on your email to confirm it as the sender. This step finalizes the sender information for your. Once confirmed, click on Save to secure the sender details. This ensures that your email will be sent from the correct address. Now click on Subject to define the subject line of your mass email. The subject line is crucial as it determines whether your recipients will open your email. You will see a prompt asking for the subject line. Click on Subject Line and type in your desired subject. Make it engaging to encourage opens. After typing the subject, click on Save to store this information. This action ensures that your subject line is confirmed and ready for the campaign. Next, click on Send Time to choose when you want your email to be sent. You can select to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. If you wish to send the email immediately, click on Send Now. This option allows you to send your email right away, ensuring timely delivery to your subscribers. After confirming the send time, click on Save to finalize your settings. This step is crucial to ensure that all changes are stored before sending. Next, click on Content to begin designing the email itself. This section allows you to customize the email layout and message. After entering the content section, click on Design Email to choose a template for your email. Selecting an appealing template can enhance the visual appeal of your message. You will then choose a template that suits your campaign. Click on Drafts if you want to use a pre-existing draft or create a new design. Once you've selected a template, you can utilize AI features to expedite your design process. Click on Make It Fast. Use it by using AI for assistance. After that, click on Code Your Own if you wish to incorporate custom HTML into your email design. This option provides flexibility for advanced users. Next, click on Apply to confirm your template selection. This ensures that your chosen template is set for your email campaign. If you want to paste in your own code, click on Paste in your code if you want. This allows for further customization of your email. Once you have pasted your code, click on Continue to proceed to the next stage of the email setup. Finally, click on Send to initiate the sending process. This action will trigger the email to be dispatched to your chosen recipients. You will see a message confirming the recipients of your email. Click on You're about to send an email to review the details. To finalize the process, click on Send Now once more. This ensures that your email campaign is officially sent out. After sending, a confirmation message will appear stating, "Nice job, your email is sending." This indicates that your email has been successfully dispatched to your subscribers